Welcome back to How to Daily. If you are using PayCove to manage your invoices and payments, today I will show you how to send pay invoices quickly and efficiently. This is a great way to streamline your billing process and get paid faster. Start by logging into your PayCove account, and once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Invoices section where you can manage your invoices. To send a pay invoice, click on Create New Invoice, fill in the necessary details such as the client's name, the services or products provided, and the amount due. You can also set the payment terms and due date here. Now customize your invoice by adding your company's logo, adjusting the colors, and including any additional notes or instructions for the client. PayCove allows you to tailor the invoice to fit your brand. Once everything is set, click Send Invoice. You can choose to send it via email directly through PayCove or download the PDF to send manually. The invoice will include a link for the client to pay online. And that's it. Sending pay invoices using PayCove is a straightforward process that can help you manage your billing more effectively. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.